The incredible survival powers of the tardigrade. What if I told you there's an animal that can survive in space? Meet the tardigrade. Also known as the water bear, this microscopic creature is tougher than anything you've ever imagined. It can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. How? By going into a state called cryptobiosis, where it shuts down and can survive almost anything. Found in the deepest oceans and the highest mountains, the tardigrade is a true survivor. But here's the kicker: no one really knows how it does it. Want to dive deeper into the world of these indestructible creatures? Subscribe now to discover more.